Hello everybody, this is the plant cell of Mrs. Genius's project, and I am Bryan,
I'm Bubba.
I'm Jaired.
and we get to show you around our plant cell. Here's the entrance, and for this one is the cell wall, and for this one we had to make it 3 blocks towards it. It's supposed to be the cell wall of it, and it supports the plant and keeps everything in. This is for the redstone gate. Flags and yeah, it's a double layered wall, I should say. Some of it had to be covered, and it's fixed by redstone. So yeah, just this design. All right.
That glass around it all is the membrane, which makes things come in or out, which allows what comes in or out. And we did the water because there's, oh snap. We did the water around it because of the stuff. It likes water, and then some of it hates water. So it's two-layered membrane. This is the glass is the first layer, and the cobblestone is the second layer. And then yeah.
Yep. Same design. Alright, so for this one is the main nucleus. It was not really put as in design, but since it's the big control one, it even says.
This is designed by Bryan, by the way. That's all him. Those laser beams. That's
All
just for
beams.
fun.
The
That's,
beams are fun, but they also beams had added onto it, so
yeah, it gave us like powers and stuff. So yeah.
yeah, this is the nucleus. It's not much of a design, but it's nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's the.
Okay. That's clock.
What does it do?
It's okay, just say it.
This is the chloroplast. It took a while for me to make it, and like the wood stuff on it are
Solar panel.
solar panels, and
Oh.
and everything in the place floats. So like
So for the chloroplast, it's a little different since it's based on plants. Plants usually absorb light, so we did the solar.
Photosynthesis.
Yeah, that's right. But absorb light, of course. And for it, it causes up of more light cells, so it brings up a lot of.
Yeah, for those we have two of them because that's what the thing was. Yeah, we have to have two.
Yeah,
So
right there.
yeah,
Big
my
sign.
sign's floating, by the way. That's all me.
Amazing. All right.
That
So
that right there is the ribosome. It produces proteins. That's why we put chickens in there.
Yep.
Because we like chickens, and they just gave us eggs, by the way.
it's amazing.
So yeah, and then we have two of those.
Yep,
We did plan on having four, but our calculations were off, so we couldn't do four.
So I kind of went down from there.
Yeah, more chickens.
There's
Okay.
no sign.
That ginormous blue thing right there, right behind us.
Like how?
That is the vacuole. That is the thing that stores the water and all those nutrients for the plant cell.
Yep.
Entrance is right there. I believe I broke the door.
Yeah.
I put horses in there because I like horses. That's a donkey right there, by the way. I don't know where that came from. As you can tell, we put storage chests in there for the for the storage thing, and then yeah, that's Brian's work of art. And then those are my horses.
Yeah, those are his horses. And for this one, it's also meant to be as the same for the chloroplast. It's also meant to be the same as chloroplast. These lanterns right here. So it has the same theme as it. Has the solar panel up there. And
Yeah.
does the same thing.
And when
brings
it's
this up.
nighttime, it illuminates.
But for right now, I don't think we're able to do that. And so
That's
a
a
little bit more
book.
design.
That's a book collecting knowledge.
Yep.
And then there's my horsies. Horsies. Okay,
Door
let's
was
get out.
broken down.
Yeah, I broke the door on accident. My bad. I believe that's the only one that's not floating.
So.
Yeah. All right. So a little bit about that
There she
wall. You
is.
can break a stick. Break one of those blocks up there, bro. The wall is double layered, as you can see. It has supports in the middle of them, so see, as you can tell, it's two layers. Two layers. There's two cobblestones. See,
Yep.
because we use the glass and the cobblestone as our two-layer membrane, and then the other side of that cobblestone is the cell wall. Yeah,
And again,
that's the redstone that helps us go
open
in.
the door.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Elevated doors. And for above it, it's not very much.
But it did the job.
It did the job. It added whole decoration.
As you can see, there are horses outside of our place,
Yep.
which are the work of
Jaired.
Jaired Kohler, because he just spawned a whole bunch of horses.
You wanted to make a farm.
It didn't work.
Evidently didn't work.
Yeah, as you can see, that red thing is our pathway to the teleporter,
A little entrance.
and yeah, our entrance to the entire cell thing.
And for last resort, since we're almost done, my idea was
We were gonna put TNT all throughout under the cell, but we couldn't, as you can tell. Don't fall in that hole.
But as for most of it, it was supposed to be a last resort for just finishing this up and
Yeah, and
Just
plus
having
this
fun
is
with
where
it.
we trapped Jaired when he was doing bad things.
yeah,
He was messing with us, so we trapped him in there.
and we broke the
We broke the
Bottom.
ground under him so he'd fall out.
and go back to spawn.
Yeah.
But apart from all, it was all fun.
Oh, and
Just got done.
yeah, this is it. So,
Um,
exit, and then let's go. Look how many eggs we have.